So yes, dear friends, Rahul Naik this side, a professional trader and a direct seller. आज मेरे साथ ना गोवा के एक बहुत बढ़िया लीडिंग प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर है जो बहुत सारे यूथ को इंस्पायर करते हैं। अगर मैं उनके बारे में आप लोगों को बताऊं, ही इज अ एमकॉम ग्रेजुएट एंड अ म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रक्टर और आज उनको एक टैग मिला है, ही इज अ मॉनिटर ऑफ गोवा एजुकेटिंग थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल ऑफलाइन एज वेल एज थ्रू द ऑनलाइन मीडियम। ओके, आज हम ना इनको कुछ सवाल करेंगे जो एक ट्रेडिंग का फेज होता है एज अ इनिशियल फेज, देन जो बीच का फेज होता है ना एंडिंग फेज। क्या माइंडसेट चाहिए, व्हाट आर द इमोशंस, एक ट्रेडर कौन से इमोशन से गुजरता है। और बहुत सारे लोगों ने जो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे जो कमेंट में या फिर मैसेजेस में जो क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं, बाद में वो ऑप्शन ट्रेडर हो, इंट्राडे डिलीवरी स्विंग ट्रेडर हो, पोजिशनल ट्रेडिंग करते हो, या फिर यू आर बिगिनर एंड यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट स्टॉक मार्केट, दिस सेशन विल हेल्प यू बिकॉज वी विल बी लिसनिंग फ्रॉम द प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर ऑफ गोवा। ओके, सो कुछ सवाल है क्लस्टर सर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड, आपने टाइम दिया, इट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग। ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट। पहला क्वेश्चन जो है, जो मुझे डायरेक्टली पहली बार जब मैंने एक वीडियो डाला था ऑन इंस्टाग्राम तब मुझे आया था, वही क्वेश्चन मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूं सर। ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, कैन अ बिगिनर मेक मनी इन अ फाइनेंशियल लाइव मार्केट्स?
Okay, so can a beginner make money in financial live market? So actually the answer is absolutely no. See, let me explain this particular question by giving a simple example of a car. Whenever we go in a driving school to learn a car, we cannot expect to be a professional driver from the very next day. It requires a lot of time. To master the car, it requires the judgment of the road as well as the judgment of the car. Same way in the market, in trading, there are two types of judgments. One is the judgment of the overall market, that is the economy which fluctuates, and the second judgment is of the strategy, the technique which we are using. So in order to master these two techniques, it requires a lot of time, and with time only actually we can, I can say that we can be profitable traders.
And Mr. Cluster, many people ask a very common question, that is how much time they will require to make money from the stock market, or how they will be making money by doing intraday trading. So what will be your answer? आपका क्या आंसर रहेगा जो लोग बोलते कितना टाइम लगेगा मुझे पैसा करने के लिए फ्रॉम दिस मार्केट्स?
See, it depends all on experience. So how much time you give in the market, okay, the more time you give in the market, the faster you will be a profitable trader. So you have to, in other words, you have to sit in front of charts for that many hours in the initial stage.
Okay. And I also want to interrupt you in between because मेरे दिमाग में एक बात आई। मैंने रिसेंट एक इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट देखा था, मैनी पीपल जो लोग डालते हैं कि इतना पैसा कमाया मैंने, उतना पैसा कमाया, और क्वेश्चंस भी मैंने लिखे हुए हैं ऑन द मोबाइल। ओके, मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि आपने एज अ बिगिनर ट्रेडर कितना लॉस किया है इन दिस मार्केट?
Okay. So yeah, I have made loss in the initial phase. So when I was studying, when I was doing my degree, MCom, BCom, whatever, that time, I didn't have proper knowledge, but still I was doing trading, and that time I was doing complete losses. So that time as a student also I have made huge losses, 80,000-90,000 losses as a student. That is big amount that time. So but my end goal was clear, my result was clear, okay, what I want to be. So that is the reason I didn't give up, and I'm making profits.
यस, जैसे कि क्लस्टर सर ने बोला 80-90,000 लॉसेस किया उन्होंने, बट सर तब क्या आपके पास उतनी नॉलेज थी क्या अबाउट दिस मार्केट्स?
No, nothing about, no knowledge about trading. In other words, I was doing complete gambling. That is called gambling actually, doing trading without knowledge. Okay, forecasting based on gut feeling, based on my emotions. That is gambling.
यस, सो दैट वाज आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, और क्लस्टर सर ने बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से इसका आंसर दिया है। ओके, नाउ विल गो टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन। सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज अ वेरी कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन, दैट इज कैन वी मेक करियर इन अ स्टॉक मार्केट और अ फाइनेंशियल लाइव मार्केट्स? मतलब हमारा सब कुछ जो काम धंधा है वो छोड़कर क्या हम एज अ फुल टाइम ट्रेडर और इन्वेस्टर हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं क्या हमारी जर्नी इन द फाइनेंशियल लाइव मार्केट्स?
Actually, yes, definitely we can make a career in financial live markets. People worldwide as well as people in India are full-time traders today. They are only dependent on trading. But my suggestion would be not to leave the job. in the initial stage, not to leave the job and come in trading. Okay, because to master the skill, to be profitable, it requires lot of time, lot of practice, lot of hard work, lot of efforts. So while you practice, there should be a side source of income. And later on, after you be a professional trader, you may think of leaving the job and becoming a full-time trader.
सो आई वुड लाइक टू इंटरप्ट यू अगेन. मतलब आप हमें क्लियरली बता सकते हैं क्या वो कौन सा फेज है, व्हाट इज दैट फेज व्हेन ट्रेडर शुड थिंक दैट यस नाउ आई शुड डू दिस एज अ फुल टाइम ट्रेडर, अ फुल टाइम करियर एंड आई शुड लीव माय जॉब. तो वो कौन सा फेज है, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन इट प्लीज?
It all depends on accuracy. So accuracy building takes a lot of time. Once you gain a very good accuracy, 70%, 80% profitability ratio, that time definitely you may think of becoming a full-time trader.
Yes, so the advice from the professional trader is that we should not leave our job or anything or your business, whatever you're doing right now, और आपको नहीं start करना चाहिए it as a full-time career. ओके जब तक आपकी एक्यूरेसी बिल्ड ना हो जाए या फिर जब तक आपका इनकम करंट इनकम से मैच ना हो जाए या फिर डबल ना हो जाए. ओके ओके नाउ क्लस्टर्स ऑफ विल जंप ऑन टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज that many people say that trading or investing in the financial live markets is like a gambling. So Mr. Cluster, what is your opinion based on this?
See, actually trading is not gambling, because when we do trading, we actually know how much we will lose in a single day. Whereas in gambling, we never know how much we may lose in a single day. Okay, that is the reason people end up losing heavy amounts in gambling. So it's a fact that actually 80% of Indians, they do gambling in financial life market. They do gambling in stock market, and they lose heavy amount in stock market. And the reason why they end up doing this is lack of education, lack of awareness. See, to be a trader, to open a demat account, you just require your identity proof, that is PAN card. Okay, and every citizen of India today has got PAN card. So what they do, they just approach the broker and they open their real accounts. They don't know anything of trading. They just buy and sell based on their gut feeling, based on their emotions, based on their psychological aspect. And definitely, if you take trades based on emotion, definitely 100% there will be loss. And that is the reason 80% of Indians, I can say, make losses in financial live markets.
Yes, Mr. Cluster, we 100% agree to the answer जो आपने दिया है. Okay, and our fourth question is एक क्वेश्चन, मतलब दिस इज नॉट अ क्वेश्चन. ओके, ये आपका ओपिनियन आप बता सकते हो. ओके, सो नाउ विल बी जंपिंग टू द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. सो आवर क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर एंड अनस्किल्ड ट्रेडर? क्या डिफरेंस होता है जो लोग प्रोफेशनली अपने आप को एक ट्रेडर मानते हैं और जो लोग एक ऐसे समस्या में होते, दुविधा में होते, उनमें क्या डिफरेंस क्या होता है प्लीज?
Yeah, very good question actually. Okay, there's a big difference between professional and unskilled trader. So professional trader is never worried about losses because he already knows how much he will be losing in a single day. Whereas unskilled trader, he's always worried. He always feel guilty after making losses because he don't follow a particular system. Whereas a professional trader follows a proper setup with proper discipline, I can say.
ओके ओके, तो आपका कहना है कि जो एक प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर होता है उनको पता होता है कि वो कितने लूज करने वाले हैं, राइट?
एग्जैक्टली.
एंड जो अनप्रोफेशनल या फिर अनस्किल्ड ट्रेडर होते हैं, दे आर वरीड अबाउट कि कितना प्रॉफिट उनको आज मिलेगा या फिर लॉस मिलेगा. ओके, वेरी गुड आंसर क्लस्टर सर. यस, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो फील द सेम. और जो हमारा ना आज का फाइनल क्वेश्चन है ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, आपको क्या लगता है कि इन द अपकमिंग ईयर्स व्हाट विल बी द फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट?
Yeah, so with regards to Indian stock market, okay, see the entire world today is targeting India, the Indian economy, the Indian stock market. Okay, see, in other words, the Indian stock market is the reflection of our country. Okay, and we are ranked the second populous country in the entire world. We are having the second largest population in the world, and we have also got the fastest growing GDP in the world, that is gross domestic product. So that is the reason these big companies like Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, they are coming in India. They are targeting us. They are targeting you and me because they know that their business will run best in India. So that is the reason we should make the best use of this particular country, I can say, particular stock market, that is Indian stock market, and we can definitely make a very good profits through this Indian stock market.
तो आपका मतलब ये बोल सकता हूँ क्या मैं, दिस इज द टाइम दैट वी शुड इन्वेस्ट इन इंडिया?
Definitely, because the country is growing, we are not in a already developed phase. India is still a developing country, and the development, okay, the development will be reflected in the stock market. It will be reflected through the growth of Indian stock market. So make sure to participate in Indian stock market and enjoy the benefits of our country's growth in the next few years.
सो यस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो आज क्लेस्टर सर ने जो बताया है ना, बेस्ड ऑन हिज पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम द मार्केट्स, क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा लॉसेस करे हैं, बट आज बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। जो हमारे साथ है, वी ऑल नो दैट कि हाउ मच ही मेक्स इन मंथली या फिर ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, वी ऑल नो दैट, बट आज उसके बारे में चर्चा हम नहीं करेंगे, ओके, बिकॉज आज का जो एपिसोड था, इट वॉज to give the knowledge for those are starting as a beginner trader. Okay, so thank you Cluster sir for your precious time, और I hope that कि ये episode बहुत सारे youth को help होने वाला है। And one final message you want to give to our participants, those who are watching this session, please?
Yeah, my message would be, see, you may be a businessman, you may be working in the best company, but there should be a side hustle. There should be a pandemic proof source of income, and that is actually trading. Because tomorrow, let anything happen, trading won't stop. Trading will never ever stop, because trading actually reflects our country. The country's economy can never shut down. Okay, so make sure to learn the fundamentals and technicals of this particular market, and then only start your journey in this financial live markets. Thank you.
So yes, thank you dear participants for watching this video, और we will make sure that कि next time अगर कुछ अच्छा content मिलता है, then we'll definitely deliver to you. Yes, thank you.